this is Kavita Singhi and I am a legal intern of the Accident Company and I am a law student of IIM Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is Motor Vehicle Act of 2019. The Motor Vehicle Amendment Bill of 2019 was introduced in Lok Sabha in July 2019 to amend the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 and introduce the new traffic rules for road safety, along with stiffer penalties for traffic violation. The Act provides for new rules pertaining to grants of license and permits and vehicle fitness test. After being passed by the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha has suggested 3 changes in the Act, and the Lok Sabha will scrutinize these changes. And the new Motor Vehicle Act of 2019 provides for substantive changes in the existing traffic rules and regulations. On the other hand, the bill also provides medical assistance to citizens in case of any road mishap. Moreover, the compensation amount given in case of death injury has increased. The purpose of this act is to make Indian roads safer to travel and promote the importance of safe driving among the young generation. This new act came into force from 1st September. The penalties charged for anyone violating traffic rules and the safety rules are hefty, and it can burn a hole into a car. This act increased penalty for several offences under this act. And for example, the maximum penalty for driving under the influence of alcohol or drug has been increased from 2,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. If a vehicle manufacturer fails to comply with motor vehicle standard, the penalty will be filed up to rupees 100 crore or imprisonment of up to 2 years. And if a contractor fails to comply with road design standard, the penalty will be fined up to 1 lakh rupees. The central government may increase fine mentioned under the Act every year up to by 10%. Compensation for road accident. The central government will develop a scheme for cashless treatment of road accident victims during golden hour. The bill defines golden hour as the time period of up to the 1 hour following a traumatic injury, during which the likelihood of preventing death through prompt medical care is the highest. The central government may also make scheme for providing interim relief to claims seeking compensation under party insurance. The Act also increased the minimum compensation for hit and run cases as follows: in case of death from up to 25,000 to 2 lakh rupees, and in case of grievous injury from 12,500 to rupees 50,000. And this Act provides for a National Road Safety Board to be created by the central government through a notification. The board will also advise the central and state government on all aspects of road safety and traffic management, including standard of motor vehicle act and the registration and licensing of vehicle, and standard for road safety and promotion of new vehicle technology. Tax aggregators. This act defines aggregators as digital intermediaries or marketplaces which can be used by passenger to connect with driver for transportation. For purpose, these aggregators will be issued license by state. Further, they must comply with the Information Technology Act of 2000. The new Motor Vehicle Act of 2019 has been implemented to ensure that road casualties in India decrease. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.